name is Rich+, and I'm a digital marketer. I choose digital marketing because of the freedom it allows me in my lifestyle. I choose digital marketing so that I can serve people with a high-income skill and also take advantage of it for my own entrepreneurial endeavors. I want to teach you everything I've learned from philosophy to entrepreneurship into the finest details of digital marketing and content creation. So join me inside of Full Stack Marketing Funnels.
It gave me so much knowledge to the point where now I can speak intelligently with clients. This program is to teach you everything digital marketing and where the future is going with marketing. It really gives you the foundation to really launch yourself into a world of branding, right? Content. With that said, I highly recommend Rich's digital marketing program, and without a doubt, you're gonna get a lot of value out of it.
Tired of giving myself away for years and years and years on the internet. Allowed my short attention span to learn in a way that was cohesive because everything just flows and it's simple. It was just perfect.
Honestly, if I had this course when I first started studying digital marketing, I would highly recommend it. It's very comprehensive. It'll teach you everything that you need to know.
But the good thing when you invest in Rich's course is that you actually have a community. You're going to be surrounded with people who share the same values as you. And so that's really exciting for me.
For me, it really solidified my foundation, my understanding, my confidence in not only just building a marketing presence, but also, judging and helping other clients do that for themselves as well. So I've been part of great mentorships before, but I don't think I've ever come across someone who explains the vision and the understanding as best as he does.
And I've been able to go from a confused employee who was frustrated. I had a set of digital skills. I had a vast curiosity to continue learning digital skills, but no real sense of what to do with them when I got them. So learning digital marketing through the Rich+Niche community, I've been able to do things such as make $5,000 within the span of 4 weeks using his consulting framework. I've been able to land a major brand deal, and that is due to my work within the community and the things that I've learned. And I'm so grateful that even beyond the brand deal that I got, I know that I have a set of digital skills that will propel my career way beyond my wildest imaginations, and it's been coming true. So thank you so much to the Rich+Niche community, and you won't regret it if you join them.
You can join me to the Rich+Niche community, which has honestly been really helpful. A lot of like-minded people that are all achieving their goals, trying to grow their business as well. And it's been really beneficial. So I highly recommend the courses that Rich+X has to offer. Honestly, really great value, really knows what he's doing, really has helped me honestly save a ton of time in jumpstarting my career growth.
When I joined the program, what I found is that the information was concise but very impactful, and there was no room for fluff.
So if you are just starting out and you are looking for real guidance, where you need a mentor who can show you the way and who is already living the dream that you are seeking, then I invite you to join the Rich+Niche Academy.
Taking Rich's course made me feel so alive and empowering in creating my own personal brand, and being able to take the digital marketing skills that he gives you and going out and applying it yourself is truly remarkable. He's a wonderful mentor, and I highly recommend taking his course. You will definitely be impacted.
I never met a person who helped me so much practically. He's like a river which is flowing to the ocean, and on the way it's taken in all other small rivers, which help you expand, which help this river to become more beautiful, more powerful.
Rich has laid out all of the steps from point A to going to B to going to C, going to Z. And so that is where the value is when you are going to be enrolled in Rich's course. There's nothing that's going to be unclear for you.
Digital Marketing 101, like what's new, and funnel design theory. I even created this really cool textbook on a whiteboarding software called Miro. So I go over all this information for you, different things I've learned, how I've put this all together. This is all just theory, okay? It's really useful to have this board here. You can reference it and access that at any time. But these are the theory components, and these are very important. People think that you can just run a Facebook ad without any concept of theory, and that's completely wrong. Classical marketing theory and techniques are still very prevalent today because of the reptilian brain, because of how we behave. So these are very important aspects. Now, when you come into the next module, designing funnels, I've actually given you a really powerful 30-page PDF workbook. Let me open it up here for you. So it's a PDF and it looks like this, and you can fill it out with your information as you go along. And this tool is so amazing for keeping you organized, and you can use this when you work with your clients as well. Everything in here is so valuable. This is all original stuff by me. I'm not really going to reveal too much more of that. That's a very powerful PDF workbook, and I even update it over time. It's Rich UX, founder of Rich+Niche and full stack digital marketer. I believe digital marketing consulting is the imminent wave you've been waiting for. It's time to start swimming and positioning yourself in the market as a digital marketing consultant. You have to stop chasing what's passed you by and recognize the tsunami that is coming. Now is the time to take action on the career of your dreams, live and work remotely, help your clients build their businesses online.